Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on talking about XRP Ripple as a cryptocurrency and how it can potentially 5x its current value, going from $2.21, which is as at today, the 20th of December, all the way to $10 a coin and above. So obviously that's going to be 5x times the current value today, and with a $10,000 investment can be turned into a $50,000. So just before I start, obviously this has been the last week from the middle of December up until the 20th of December, as we can see in this graph. And it has sort of had a bit of an increase, but then obviously dropped back down to $2.21 USD, with a lot of people liquidating their accounts within the cryptocurrency and even the share market space. Now, I just want to go through several factors on how it is possible that XRP can go to $10. And we can sort of talk about that and just probably dive into a little bit more detail around each of the categories. So for Ripple to really hit that $10 mark, there's got to be some key factors. And the first one that I think that we need to consider is definitely around the regulatory clarity. Now, obviously, there's an SEC lawsuit resolution that they're trying to get to. And that's obviously been a reason why XRP's price has been heavily affected. And for the viewers that are unsure what this is actually just an ongoing legal battle that's occurring with the US secretaries over whether it is considered a security or not. Now, in terms of Ripple actually receiving a favorable ruling from this event, will significantly boost investor confidence and obviously become a lead, obviously already is a leading cryptocurrency coin, but I think further value will be seen in this coin. Now, the other point that I sort of want to mention on sort of regulation is obviously global regulation that sort of helped Bitcoin obviously surge all the way up to its $100,000 mark and above. So I think as Ripple starts to become more regulated globally, then it potentially is going to allow, especially obviously having crypto-friendly laws, with obviously the likes of Donald Trump as well, that's sort of seen favorably in cryptocurrency, will definitely allow this coin to get up to the $10 and above mark. Now, the second point I want to talk about is the increased adoption of the technology. So Ripple technology is part of the RippleNet network. So what it does is it actually facilitates fast, low-cost cross-border payments. So potentially, if more banks and financial institutions like BlackRock adopt this technology, this will obviously demand an increase in demand for XRP, and I think it will just allow this coin to continue to grow further in this cryptocurrency space. Another point that I want to add to that is that Ripple's continued expansion is going into the emerging markets. And obviously, it's constant efforts to continue to improve in this space, obviously having such a widespread use and utility for XRP. Third point is network upgrades and development. So Ripple is still continuing to work on improving the XRP ledger. This includes like scalability, the speed, security side of things. So a lot of key components here that would definitely drive this price up to the $10 mark. And obviously, having the view of going to increase these enhancements and really focus on drilling down into them is going to attract a lot more people towards this coin and obviously raising the demand for XRP. I guess the other point that sort of come out through the news is that Ripple has actually shown interest in partnering with governments and central banks to obviously build more support from the CBDCs. And Ripple plays a significant role in the launch of this. And ultimately, if this sort of, again, continues further on the pathway, it's going to increase the utility of this cryptocurrency coin and obviously fall into the ranks of Bitcoin. That's obviously we've seen such a big surge, especially recently through MicroStrategy as well. Fourth point that I want to mention now is that the market sentiment. So I guess we've seen a pretty strong cryptocurrency in previous years, obviously similar to the 2017 bull runs and even the 2020 and 2021 bull runs through COVID. That's obviously also going to be a element to see this price increase. So I think, Ripple performs quite well, and obviously the broader crypto market performs well as well. And XRP being your large cap coin, and as it sort of stands today, the market cap is sitting just under $126 billion. So obviously a fairly sizable amount there. I guess the other point just on market would be institutional investment. Obviously, we've now seen Bitcoin have components within the market, and ETFs as well. So, I think this is probably crucial in getting this. And if the institutional investment does come in for XRP, then we are going to see astronomical increases within this coin. And guys, I don't want you to miss out on this. This would be an absolute bargain for $2, just over $2 a coin. I just could see this growing even further than your 5 or 10x. So I think that's definitely one thing to definitely look on. I guess following to that point would be looking at scarcity and supply dynamics. So obviously, we are aware that, Bitcoin is limited in capacity. So with Ripple having a large total supply, there's probably needs some initiatives to sort of reduce the circulating supply or increase the scarcity. That can obviously, again, push increases higher, back to obviously supply and demand. Next point would be the global economic trends. There's obviously a shift towards decentralized finance platforms. So again, if this decentralized finance sort of space does continue to grow, then I think XRP will start to become more integrated with these projects. And again, there's probably going to be more additional uses for XRP, again, boosting the demand and price to, I think well over $10 here in this case. And I guess sort of last point would be it is quite just from liquidity point of view. XRP's price could increase if it is listed on more exchanges. I think, it is appealing to a lot of people because it is quite liquid when you're sort of going onto these sort of coin, like this is example coin market cap. But again, I think it is definitely probably need a little bit more, I think, listings or access to a lot of different other platforms, not just Coin Market, Coinbase, Binance, all those others. I think this will again allow more trading volume and drive up the price significantly as well to sort of get to that 5x, $10 a coin. So look, I guess after all that considered, I think achieving above $10 is definitely possible. Obviously, it requires a couple of the items that mentioned previously. Obviously, being favorable market conditions there. I think increased adoption and obviously significant advances within the technological space. But I think Ripple definitely is an undervalued coin, being such a high market cap. And I think even with the institutional support, if that starts to continue to come, and obviously with Donald Trump making a lot of decisions around this cryptocurrency space, I think this could definitely be a coin that can really maximize shareholders and investor returns. So, guys, I just want to thank everyone for listening today, and please like and subscribe if you got some value out of this video. Thank you.